Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification. What service would you suggest for ensuring a cost-effective and highly available cloud storage solution on Google Cloud for frequently accessed data in your organization? A. Store all data using Google Cloud Storage Nearline. B. Set up multi-regional cloud storage to store frequently accessed data. C. Use Google Cloud Storage Coldline for data that is accessed often. D. Keep all data stored in persistent disk to ensure availability at all times. Correct answer: B. Set up multi-regional cloud storage to store frequently accessed data. Explanation: implementing Google Cloud Storage multi-regional is the appropriate choice for frequently accessed data that requires high availability. This storage option ensures redundancy in multiple locations. Using Google Cloud Storage Nearline for all data is not recommended. Nearline is designed for data that is accessed less frequently, approximately once a month, and is not suitable for frequently accessed data. Opting for Google Cloud Storage Coldline for frequently accessed data is also not advisable. Coldline is intended for data that is accessed even less frequently than Nearline, making it a poor choice for frequently accessed data. Storing all data in persistent disk for constant availability is not the correct approach. Persistent disk is more expensive for storage compared to other object storage options and is typically used for VM instances rather than general storage needs. Keywords: cost-effective and highly available indicates the desired characteristics of the cloud storage solution. Frequently accessed data specifies the type of data that needs to be stored. Subscribe and follow us.